I'm in my outdoor living space. This used to be my garage, and we've converted it over into an outdoor living space, but we haven't done every detail yet. It's taken us quite a bit of time to get from start to finish, as you guys know. We're probably about 50% of the way there. If you've been following me for long enough, you also know that practicality and function is huge for me in any space that I design. And last weekend, when we had friends over and family over for a football game, we realized that a huge functional thing that we're missing right now is outdoor curtains. And of course they can be beautiful too, but in our case, the sun was beating down on people's necks while they watched the game, and so we wanted to make sure that we've taken care of that for future games. So today I'm going to install the curtain tracks that I picked out. Instead of curtain rods, I decided to go with curtain tracks. I think they're just gonna be super, super functional for my space. So let me show you how I did it. For these curtains, I actually used tablecloths. So if you're doing this, this is a really affordable way for you to get a large piece of fabric very affordably. I bought 108-inch long tablecloths in this really pretty stripe, and I think I paid about $12 per panel, as opposed to all the outdoor curtains that you'll see for about $40 or $50 a panel. I also treated these with a water repellent wash, which I'll share that link below, and I'll also share all the links to the tracks and everything else that I use for this project, so you guys can go and purchase your own. What I love so much about this track that I chose is that these slide so easily. It's gonna be really nice to be able to just pull these closed really easily without having to get up there and actually move the curtain the way you would with a typical curtain rod. Anyway, I hope you guys love this project. Send me any comments or questions you have, and I'd be happy to answer them.